Welcome to Garage Mods and Builds. Today's video is a review video. Yes, it is Monday. It is a review video. What we're reviewing is the Gia 60 watt LED dock light, double bracket. Let me take it out of the box, show you guys what we're working with. So just to give you guys an idea, it is pretty, I'm gonna say this bracket weighs a good 20, 30 pounds. Pretty solid. The plug for the light itself, zoom in and show you the plug. This is the type of plug it comes with. To show you how this works. Now, what I'm going to do is lay this all the way out where the light will be mounted to the bracket. We're looking at 42 inches. I'm going to mount mine right there. Since I only have 2x4 studs in my wall, I'm using this 2x6 3-inch screws to run down the middle, catching to the stud. I'm going to countersink them. Let's get it on the wall. I'm going to run my first screw in. Make sure we're plumb. Here we go. Now for the bracket. Place. Most would do that. Let's mount our light. Okay. Flip our light over. Tighten it. In. And let's see what this thing produces. See what happens. Wow. That is amazing. Pointing down at my car. It's lighting up the driveway. Like hitting the fence, the side of the neighbor's house. That is super bright. So here we have it. The double bracket dock light from Gia. 6600 lumens. And this is what it looks like. Nice little on and off switch on the back. Swivel up. Put the light on. This is amazing. Wow. Link will be in the description. Please feel free to go check them out and give this a try. They have the double bracket, single bracket, and they also sell they call them the UFO styles that hang down from the ceiling. I'm going to give this 5 stars because for me, working on my cars, boom, boom, bam.